The AI revolution is here. Every passing day, we are witnessing increasingly advanced AI and robots. With the rapid advances in AI, many industries are now facing disruption and even extinction. Varieties of tasks performed by workers today are now being automated, leading to what's expected to be a major shift in the global job market. In this video, we will explore 10 industries that AI will eliminate in 2024. Number 1. Customer service. One industry that AI has already begun to disrupt is customer service. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms have been incorporated into customers' helplines in the form of chatbots. These chatbots are able to collect information about a customer's issue, allowing customer support executives to work more efficiently. In some cases, the chatbots are even able to resolve customer issues on their own, only escalating to human executives if necessary. Due to their ability to accurately understand what the customer is saying, sufficiently advanced NLP algorithms may replace customer support executives altogether. Instead of being static and limited in their responses, these chatbots can dynamically adapt themselves to any issue a customer may have. Moreover, as the customer does not need to wait to get connected with a support executive, the waiting time is reduced, thereby improving the customer experience. Number 2. Healthcare diagnostics. The adoption of AI in the healthcare sector holds immense potential for positive change. Primarily, healthcare has been characterized by its ability to collect and utilize relevant and accurate data about patients and those who come into care. This makes it prime for AI integration. Secondly, AI can find a variety of use cases in the health sector. AI can also enable the widespread adoption of predictive healthcare. By using predictive analytics, AI can help doctors identify potential health risks and make proactive recommendations for treatment. This approach to healthcare is far superior to the reactive approach that is prevalent today. In addition, with the rise of Internet of Things (IoT-enabled devices), doctors can remotely monitor their patients' health and receive real-time alerts in case of an emergency. In addition to predictive healthcare, AI can be used to automate the analysis of scan results through image recognition. This can help doctors diagnose symptoms at a much higher rate than is currently possible, as AI is able to process scans much faster than humans. In addition, AI-powered chatbots are being developed to help doctors gather preliminary information from patients about their symptoms. Number 3. Finance and investment. AI and the financial sector are a great fit for each other. Similar to healthcare, finance companies have been collecting, collating, and organizing data for many decades, making AI a natural addition to the field. The technology has been used to detect the chance of an individual conducting a fraudulent transaction. Banking is a sector where paperwork and documentation are ever present. AI can also automate processes that were previously done manually, such as paperwork and documentation. This will not only decrease the time required to solve issues, but also enable banks to serve customers better. Moreover, predictive analysis has also found great success in the banking and finance sectors. Banks can identify high-value customers using predictive analytics through data mining and parsing text online. They can also retain customers longer by providing additional services based on their spending and financial activities. Number 4. Manufacturing. With so much data being produced daily by industrial IoT and smart factories, artificial intelligence has several potential uses in manufacturing. Manufacturers are increasingly turning to artificial intelligence solutions like machine learning and deep learning neural networks to better analyze data and make decisions. One of the most prominent ways AI is being used in the manufacturing sector is in predictive maintenance, where AI algorithms analyze historical data to predict when a machine will require repair. This allows for more proactive maintenance and can reduce costly downtime. Beyond predictive maintenance, AI can also be used for demand forecasting, material optimization, and quality control, among other things. AI's potential applications in manufacturing are endless, but the sector's heavy reliance on human-machine collaboration makes it an especially good fit for AI. Number 5. Transportation and logistics. AI in logistics holds the potential to drastically change operations. Predictive analytics can accurately predict the inventory required by a vendor and optimize routes to minimize overhead costs. AbbVie, the worldwide distributor for beverages like Budweiser and Corona, has used AI to optimize logistics to a great extent. Using predictive analytics, the organization was not only able to brew the optimal amount of each beverage, but also accurately predict the demand for a certain product. This allowed them to cut down on warehousing expenses and overhead costs significantly. Autonomous driving is also considered one of the most revolutionary uses of AI in the real world. Self-driving cars have already made their way into the mainstream due to companies like Tesla. Autonomous driving can also be used for cargo transportation. Self-driving trucks will enable quicker deliveries and more efficient spending, as they will not require rest stops and will cost less than human drivers. An example of this is Tesla's semi-automobile. This truck has safety features that are made possible by AI algorithms. Number 6. Retail. Retail analytics are already seeing widespread adoption among retailers. Apart from optimizing the supply chain, retailers are also able to accurately predict how much to stock in their supermarkets. Moreover, by collecting data about the way that customers access the store, they're able to arrange the products according to customer preferences, thereby increasing the overall sales. Retail is also set to be disrupted by AI in the form of self-shop stores. Amazon's already demonstrated a proof of concept for completely autonomous shopping. Amazon Go has already opened several stores all over the United States. It utilizes machine learning, deep learning, image recognition, and smart automation to allow customers to walk in and walk out with the products of their choice. Number 7. Cybersecurity. AI and cybersecurity can work with the vast databases that most cybersecurity companies maintain to check for virus attacks. The technology is also being adopted by antivirus companies to provide a proactive method of combating cyber attacks. Due to a large amount of existing data on the kinds of cyber attacks, malware, and attack vectors, AI can be trained to exhibit reasoning. This will allow companies to employ set-it-and-forget-it AI solutions that will continually monitor the network for any suspicious activity. If an out-of-place activity is detected, the algorithm can immediately patch the hole in security or notify human handlers of the problem. This reduces the time required to solve the problem, thus minimizing risk and loss of information. In addition to this, long-term cyber attacks on high-profile targets, such as multinational enterprises, can also be detected sooner by AI solutions. Number 8. Content creation. AI has indeed made significant strides in content creation, ranging from generating articles, poems, and music to even creating visual art and videos. Using AI based on written prompts, these content creation tools produce text-based or visual content. Common examples of AI content creation tools include ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Jasper AI. A lot of repetitive tasks done by content creators can be automated by them, such as updating brand template graphics, repurposing content for different marketing channels, and resizing visuals to each platform's image specifications. AI tools for writing can suggest content ideas and even generate text, reducing the time spent brainstorming and writing. They can suggest trending and relevant hashtags and emojis, translate content into multiple languages, and extend the social media reach to global audiences. Number 9. Legal services. There's a lot more to the law industry than just the lawyers who are standing in the courtroom indulged in deep arguments. Several research papers and studies believe jobs in the legal industry are facing a high risk of redundancy due to AI. Consider what a legal assistant does. They manually search tons of legal documents to find an answer, make appointments, perform client coordination, and perform general admin tasks. All of this could easily be automated. Artificial intelligence AI systems can swiftly examine and evaluate contracts, spot possible risks or non-compliance problems, and offer advice. In addition, AI models that can forecast legal decisions are being developed using machine learning and natural language processing techniques. These models can offer insights into the possibility of success or failure in legal contexts by examining past case data. Number 10. Education. AI has the potential to transform education by optimizing teaching and learning processes through personalized learning algorithms. By identifying the strengths and weaknesses of each student, AI can tailor educational materials to better suit individual needs. Virtual reality experiences could be created without leaving the classroom to engage with students from faraway countries or showcase historical sites that endanger undue ecological harm if used a long time ago. This provides learners with an interactive learning environment that improves understanding retention. Augmented reality technology implemented using AI promises a more engaging learning experience for students, allowing them to interact with virtual objects in ways previously impossible. By placing real-time information on what people see around them using devices or smartphones on smartboards or screens within classrooms, we create new immersive experiences, transforming how people share information effectively. And that's a wrap on the industries that could potentially be revolutionized by AI. What's your take on this? Do you believe these industries will adapt and thrive, or are they facing imminent disruption? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discussions on the future of technology.